Too many churches think that if you just give a worker a Form 1099, they'll be an independent contractor, but that's just not true. Let's get into it. Hi, my name is Erika Cole, and I'm the church attorney. One of the most common staffing questions churches ask me is whether a person should be treated as an employee or an independent contractor. This can come up with musicians, childcare workers, administrators, seasonal ministry support, especially as we're moving into the summer, and other roles. This video is educational, not legal advice. Here's the first point. Labels are not enough. Calling someone a contractor is not the deciding factor. The written agreement matters, but the actual working relationship matters too. Point two, one key question that the IRS always wants you to consider is this element of control. Who controls how the work is done, when it's done, what tools are used, and how the person performs the work? More control can point more toward an employee-employer relationship. Consideration number three, integration. Another question is whether the worker is a part of the regular operations of the church. If someone is filling an ongoing role in the church's ministry or administration, the analysis may be different than a one-time outside service. Consideration number four, documentation. Churches should document the relationship clearly. If someone is truly a contractor, the church should have a written agreement that defines the scope, the payment, the responsibilities, any required insurance, any possible confidentiality requirements or expectations, things like that. Point number five, why don't we pause? Pause and consider whether this is an area that churches should choose the easier paperwork path, right? Sometimes churches say, we just want to get this done. We want to make it simple, but I want you to slow down and really consider which box does this person properly fit in? Because misclassification can create tax, wage, insurance, and significant liability concerns with the IRS, with the state and local government. So you want to make the right decision at the offset. As we wrap up, before your church pays someone as a contractor, pause and ask, what is the actual relationship? Who controls the work? Is this role ongoing? Does the person provide their own tools, or is it provided by the church? Do we have adequate documentation to point to which category the person fits in? And maybe consider whether you need professional guidance. So glad to be able to provide you with this insight. Subscribe to this channel for practical church law education and share this video with other people that you know who work with the church. And we want to make sure that this gets into the hands of other church leaders just like you. See you here next time. Bye.